Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to cancel your VSCO membership. If you find this video helpful, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just crank straight into the video. Alright, I've compiled a list of a few different ways how to cancel your VSCO membership. So the first way, if you're on an iPhone or iPad or an iOS device, what you want to do is open up settings. So go to the settings app on your device. From there, tap on your name. So at the top of the screen, tap your name to access Apple ID settings. Tap subscriptions to view your active subscriptions, and then locate VSCO in the list and tap on it. Tap cancel subscription and follow the prompts to confirm. And now for Android device users, what you want to do is open up your Play Store here, and then you want to click into your username, top right hand corner. Click onto payments and subscriptions. Click onto subscriptions, and then find your active VSCO membership here or subscription, and then click on cancel subscription. And the last way here is via the VSCO app on your device. So open up the app and then make sure to log in, and then navigate to account settings and tap your profile icon on the settings menu. Look for subscriptions or billing options and then click on cancel subscription. So follow the in-app instructions to cancel your subscription, and from there confirm your cancellation and make sure to receive a confirmation email or notification to verify that your subscription has been cancelled.